Hi everyone, welcome back to Unreal with Usman. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make a door open and close system with an interactable widget in Unreal Engine 5. As you can see, when I go near the door, a widget pop-ups that shows press F to open the door, and when I walk away from the door, the widget automatically disappears. Also, when I walk back again on the door, it's again say press F to open the door, and when I press F, the door smoothly opens, and when I walk away from the door automatically closes also with the widget that is disappear. By the end of the video, you have fully functional interactable door system with an on-screen prompt and automatically open and close behavior. So let's get started. As you can see, I am in a default Unreal Engine third-person character template. On here, I first create a new folder with a name called door. On here, I create a new blueprint class of actor type called BP door. In BP door, first I add a static mesh and set it name to SM door frame, and just search for the door frame. Yeah, this I have a door frame. This is a default Unreal Engine template door, so you can also find it in your own Unreal Engine project. Then I add another static mesh called SM door and search for the door and adjust it. After that, I add in a widget. Just drop it on the SM door frame, and in widget class, I simply search for my WBP interactable door. I have this widget. I just simply add in a canvas panel, and then after that I add in a text block and set it anchor point. You can also adjust according to your need, and I just add a simple text called press F to open the door. Now I add this widget in my door class. I just adjust it. After setting the widget, I just add a box clear. Select my box and just simply adjust it. Now this is a box region. When we overlap with this box, it simply just show our widget, and when we end overlap with this box, our widget automatically disappear. So first select our widget and just search for the visible, and on the start of the game just uncheck the visible. So when we start the game, the widget automatically disappear. Now just select the box boolean and just press on component begin overlap and also the on component end overlap. For the director, I just simply search if it's equal to the get player character. Just simply branch, just select my widget and check set visibility to visible. Same for the on component end overlap. Also connect the other actor with equal pin and just uncheck the new visibility pin. So now just we simply drag our BP door onto the map. So when we test this mechanic, when I go near the door, you can see the widget pop up show press F to open, and when I walk away the door, the widget automatically disappear. So our widget mechanics working perfectly. So now let's make the door open and close mechanics. For the door open and close mechanics, I just add a custom event. Set it name to door open. After that, I just add a timeline. set it name to door open and closed. Add a float track. On here, add two keyframes. Just select my first keyframe, put the value 0, and for the second keyframe I just set my value to time 1 and also the value to 1 and also my length to 1, and just select my both pin and select the auto. After compile it, save it, just connect it, play from the start, and after on the finish pin I just select my SM door and set it relative rotation and connect to the finish pin. And for the track I just simply search for the lerp, connect it to the alpha pin and also split my new rotation. On here which value we have, when I select my door and just simply slightly open it, I have this value called -80 on here from 0 to -80. On which direction? On a Z direction. So just connect my lerp output to the new rotation of the value Z and compile it, save it. And for the other custom event I add another custom event, and for it door closed, and just simply connect to the reverse pin. So what system do when we call this door open? It's play the timeline and make our door to the rotate on this direction, on the Z direction at the value of the -80. Now for the and overlap I just simply call my door closed event. Now go to my BP person character class. On here I just simply add an F keyboard event. On here I just select my follow camera and search for the get world location, also line trace by channel, connect to the from the start pin, and for the end pin I just simply search for the get forward vector, multiply by a value of I think 600 is perfect for me, 600, and then just simply add this value and connect to the end pin. Now then I break on hit. On break hit result I just simply search for the if actor has tag, what tag, I go in BP door, select this pin and just simply search for the tags and add a tag of door, compile it, and then also put the value name door, gain branch, and if actor has a tag of door then I simply cast to BP door and just call the value called BP and just search for the custom event that we made called door open, compile it, save it. Now we have this mechanics. I just simply draw debug type to for duration so we can easily see our line trace. After compile it, save it. Now we can test it. Now I test the door mechanics that we made. Now as we walk near the door, I just see the press F to open the door, and when I walk away, the widget automatically disappear. Also, when I walk again back to the door, it say press F to open, and when I press F, the door smoothly open, also with the interest that we made. And when I walk away from the door automatically close. So we have successfully made a system where we make a door open and close system with an interactable widget in Unreal Engine 5. So that's all for this tutorial. If it helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Unreal Engine content. And if you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.